Editing the catalog in Foray application. You will open the application, go to the products tab. You'll be able to see all the products over here. You can do editing at product level, or you can do the editing at catalog level. Even if you have a lot of products to be edited, you can do a bulk edit. We'll start from the bulk edit. For that, you need to go to the list view. In case there are certain products which you have to change the prices every day, or you have to put them in stock or out of stock every day, you will have to go to the list view. From here you can see the list of the products. You just have to click the arrow and you can update it. Without any other change needed, you can put them in stock or out of stock. On for each variation or the whole tab, or for the whole product you can do. So this is how you can also arrange them in the required manner. You can update it like recently updated, or you can arrange it in A to Z format or from the rating view. This is about the bulk editing. Now editing every single product. You can see once you click on the product, you will be able to see all the details of the product. You can put all the variations out of stock or in stock from the top in stock tab, or you can also individually control the in stock or out stock option. You can put the products in spotlight. Once you click it here in the spotlight, it will be shown. Even in the customer application, it will be shown in the spotlight. You have the category which gets added the moment you select the product from the master catalog. Product name, you can add a new variation if you want by clicking on add variation, or you can remove the variation as well. You can add the pictures and description of the product and then save it. You cannot put a product which without any price. You cannot add a product with zero price. You have to enter something. Save it. So this is the single product level editing. Now you can also edit the categories or subcategories. When you click on the 3 dots at the top of a subcategory, you will get these options. You can mark them in stock, out of stock, edit the category, or delete the category. Once you mark, this will mark all products under this category as in stock. Or you can mark out of stock. So if you put all the products out of stock, it will be out of stock even in the customer application, and customers will not be able to order those products. You can edit the category. So you can edit category over here. You can add pictures for the category. You can delete the category. When you delete a category, the products get added to the list view. Delete category doesn't delete the whole products of the category. If you want to delete even the products, first you need to delete the products individually, and then you will be deleting the category. So this is how you can edit the catalog in Foray application.